Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to field strip a Smith Wesson M&P9 2.0. I just picked up this gun a few weeks ago and it shoots amazing. So let's get on with the video. To field strip your Smith Wesson, you're going to want to make sure that it's completely free of all rounds. To do that, you're going to press the magazine eject button, eject the magazine. Mine is clear. Next, you're going to pull back on the slide and eject any rounds that may be inside the chamber. Mine is empty. Next, you're going to pull back on the slide, push up on a slide lock, and lock the slide in place. Just like that. Now inside the Smith & Wesson, and I will zoom in with my cell phone so I'll show you this, there is a yellow takedown lever. You can use a punch or a pencil or a small screwdriver. You are going to push down on that yellow takedown lever. And it's really easy to do. It's just, there we go. Now that takedown lever is going to be probably looking, it's going to be pointing like this direction. Next, on the left side of the gun, there is this takedown lever right here. You're going to push down on that. Now you're going to put your thumb on the slide lock release lever, pull back on the slide, and once you have the slide in this position, you're going to carefully walk the slide off. So there's the slide, the barrel, and the guide rod and spring. Here's your frame. To get the guide rod and spring out, take your thumb. You are going to push in on the spring, just like that. And here is your barrel. This is just like every other gun. Might be some slight variations. Mine is still pre-oiled from the factory. I did go shooting the other day. Still looks pretty clean. So here's the frame, the slide, the barrel, the guide rod and spring. So after you do all your cleaning, to put it back together, you're going to take your barrel, put it back in the slide. But I want to show you something real quick. So on the barrel, there's a little ledge right here. On the guide rod, there's a small end and a larger end. The larger end is going to sit right on this little resting spot right there. So go ahead and grab the slide in your hand. Take the barrel, slide it back in there. Make sure it sits all the way back. Remember, like I said, the small end goes into the front of the slide. Large end sits on that little ledge on here. Go ahead and put that on there. Take your thumb, push in on the guide rod and spring. It's sitting in the proper spot. Now you're going to take your, go ahead and hold this just to make sure that it doesn't pop out at all. Grab your frame. You're going to take your slide, line it up with the guide rails, and push it back gently. If it gets stuck on something, pull it back off. Check to make sure that everything's back in its proper spot. Pull back on the slide. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull back on the slide all the way, lock it in place. You're going to take your thumb and push back up on the takedown lever, and that's it. And now go ahead and push that back. And as you see, it locks in place. I'm going to go ahead and, perfect. Everything works nice. Let me go ahead and put that back in. You're going to want to make sure that it functions properly. Locks in place. Go ahead and push down on the slide lock release lever. Let it go back. Go ahead and release the magazine. Goes back nice, just like it's supposed to. That's it. Well, that's a wrap up on our how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the field stripping of my Smith & Wesson M&P9 2.0. If you like this video, tap the like button. Tap the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. And the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. This gun is amazing. I love the way it feels. It's heavy, perfect size for my extra large hands. I love this gun. It is very nice and very easy to shoot. what else can I say about it? That's really about it. It's really simple to field strip it. And if you, for some reason, you couldn't get it back together, just take it to your local gun shop. I don't know, they might charge you, I don't know, but they can show you how to field strip it if you get stuck and you can't put it back together. Like I said, they're easy. Just watch my video over and over, and I'm sure you can follow along and take it apart. Well, that's it. See you next video. Bye. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to field strip a Beretta. What is this now? Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to field strip a This gun is pretty similar. Well, it's almost identical to the previous gun I had shown you how to. No, that is a different gun. With the Taurus and the Beretta, they're pretty close. This is an M&P 2.0. So one more time. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to field strip a Smith Wesson M&P9 2.0. Closing spiel, Smith & Wesson 2.0 MP9, M&P9. One more try. Well, to wrap up on our how-to video with Paul Henderson, and this one was, what was it again? Field stripping. All right. Put that back there. Well, to wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson, this one was the field stripping of my Smith & Wesson M&P9 2.0, and I need a glass of fucking water. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and there's a stupid airplane going overhead, so let's go ahead and wait till it flies past. That's a wrap up on our how-to video with Paul Henderson. This test 1, test 2, test 3. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I can't get past. Take a deep breath.